everyone, it's Christina J and I am here with my very first unboxing on my channel, and today is featuring Happy Planner. If you are a planner girl, write down everything girl, a stationery girl, this is your video, okay? And I got a pretty big box to share with you all too. It's pretty big. So without further ado, let's just get right on into the good stuff. Let's just bust it open, okay? Okay, so this is the box. I already opened it because my address is on that side. So I'm gonna get right on into the unboxing. And Happy Planner is anything like related to keeping your life in order. Calendar wise, journal wise, budgeting, they have it all. So I'm just going to take everything out and then we'll get into what all I got. And also, if you didn't know, they had a really big sale this past like 2 weeks ago, and I took advantage of it. So these are the little rings. And before I get into that, let me just show you one of the ones that I've had forever. I have so many of them, but just hold on one second. These are just a couple of the ones that I've had so far. And this is just for the people who don't know what Happy Planner is. This is a calendar for 2025. And the thing that I like about them is you can fold it back. You can pull a sheet out, you know, and just write on it. And then you can bring it on back and just pop that bad boy back in like so. And that's it. Like, and you're back to business again, like so. And you can also change out these rings as well and make it customized to your liking. And you don't have to buy one every year. You can buy the inserts and everything like that. So love Happy Planner, been a planner girl forever. So yes, so that was my thing. That was my gift of what actually Happy Planner is and just all that good stuff. So let's just jump right on into what I got. So I have some classic discs, and they do come, the planners and journals or whatever you choose, they all come in different sizes. For instance, this is a classic planner. This one is the big. A big jump, right? So I love the big, and I also love the classic because it's, and then they have one that's super small too as well, but I don't know if I have one of those. I don't have a small one. I wish I had one so I can show it to you, but I have turned this one into like a little checklist, daily checklist thing, and I use this for work. So this is one of the notebooks that I take to work right now, and it fits in my big work bag, so I love that. So these are just the two sizes I wanted to show you all real quick, and they do have two other sizes. There's like a mini and then like a, what's the other one called? I don't know, but I'll try to get that for you if you all are interested. So you can change out the disc, and I got this pretty turtle shell look, and I got it in the lighter color as well. And they just look just, I don't know, like I've just been in the turtle shell mood lately. Like even my phone case is turtle shell. So I got these, and they were like 60 or 70% off. So I think they were like $3 or $4. So these, and then I got a insert to go in my work notebook as well. And like I said, this is filler paper, just regular filler paper. And it says work hard, plan hard. It has the little lines on it as well. And it fits into my big mama, the big one. See? So like I said, this is one of the things that why I love Happy Planner so much, because you can just create everything custom to your liking, and that is exactly what I love to do. Also, I got this snap-in cover. You can also change the covers out as well. So this is a leather snap-in cover. It's that brown caramel color. I don't think this really does too much justice. I'll probably insert some pictures later on in the video. But yeah, back here it just gives you kind of like a real spiel of how you can do it. And my plan was to use these in here, or the gold rings. So we'll see. So I got that. And then I also got some more filler paper. Same one, plan on it, it says. Has the dotted lines right here. And then it has like the little grid on the side too. Got that. And then also I have this planner accessory pack. Now you can customize it with like stickers. It has stickers right here. It has a bookmark so you can keep the place of where you were in your planner or journal or whatever. And then also it has sticky notes as well, so you can keep in there. And then also some filler sheet paper and a little pocket also, so you can keep like a folder pocket or whatever. So I love it. I love it. Like, if you like to stay organized, like, this is your jam. And I got this in the classic size too, so that'll fit that smaller one that I have. Okay. And then next up, I got the classic dashboard. Oh my gosh, I cannot speak today. Classic dashboard. And then these are just like, you know, the little sections that you can section off. And I tried to get them all in the color scheme of my discs. And I can put this in my classic as well. So these will all go together. So I'm going to keep those together. And then also, I got a planner. For the holidays. When I tell y'all I like to stay organized, I love to stay organized. So this is a classic holiday planning notebook. And it is in the classic size also. And it comes with the stickers as well, so you can customize your calendar or your to-do list or your whatever, like whatever you want to do. And just love it. This right here is the gifts and activities section. List of movies and shows I want to watch. Like, this is definitely like help me with my content planning for my channel, so I can just kind of stay on task, because that's something that I've been trying to do for this channel also. So definitely love it. Party planner. If I want to do a party planning or something, or a fun little Christmas night with my sister, meal planning for the holidays, the shopping list. Like, I'm not going to forget anything, okay? Like, this might be overboard, but I love it. Like, I love this kind of stuff. Yes. So notes, it has a little notes section. Again, a whole bunch of to-do lists. So yeah, definitely am going to use this. So yeah, this is for the holidays. So glad I went on and opened this up, because I'm going to start using this right now, because I've already started Christmas shopping already. So, and I have one more thing. Journal stencils. And these are for the holidays. And it's not just for Christmas. This is for all holidays. And I'm a girl where if it ain't pretty, I don't want it. Like, and it's just constantly like, look at that. The pumpkin, the witch hat, like, so of course that's Halloween. Then you got the love and the St. Patrick's Day little thing. So like this is definitely what I needed like back then, because I try to doodle and it does not come out right. Look, happy birthday, things like that, like the Christmas little stencil. So you can go in there with your little pens or markers or whatever and just make it yours. So that was all that I got, and I'm going to use this, of course, with this. And let's just go ahead and open up some more stuff while we're at it. Let's just go ahead and just pop it on together. Or should I do that in another video? I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to open this one up though, definitely, because I want to see what this looks like. I was so happy for this cover because the one that I do have now for my big planner that I take to work. Oh, and it has folders in here too, like little pockets. Not folders, pockets. It has the pockets in here too. Yes. Yes. See? Happy planner. So this, and then I'm going to put this inside of here as well to make it one big thing. And then this says classic, but you can still, it still fits like, you know, in here. It just won't be the same length as that. So I am ready to get that together. And then also this too. Yeah. Okay, everyone, so that was everything that I picked up from Happy Planner. And if you don't want to check them out online, you can shop at Target. Like, they have them at Target, Michael's, where else? Office Max, Staples. Check them out. But if you want to get a sale, check them out online. It's the holiday season, and definitely a lot of their planners are 70% off. Like, if you want to try it out before 2026 comes along and you want to get your life together and you want to start off with a fresh start, go ahead and check them out. I will do another video when I put everything together so you all can see what the final results look like once I put my notebooks together and the stickers and all that kind of good stuff. But yeah, if you all like this video, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Oh, I am not paid for this, okay? This is just me loving to just say organized, and I just love stationery. No one has paid me for this. I bought this one my own money, okay? All right, I'll see y'all in the next one.